Well, this market is trying a little lower today. I mean, this morning. It's been going higher all night. 936. They may be trying to fill the overnight gap. Oh, thanks, Jimmy. So I sound good and it looks good. All right. Thank you, Jimmy. Hope you're feeling better. Yeah, that's good. That's good. One of my pop accounts. Definitely this was kind of early in the process, but this definitely was a nice short here. But let's see if we can get a pullback and go lower, or this is a support area. We might be going. I believe that all they're doing here is probably trying to fill the overnight gap, because this was what I wanted to see. No, not that either. Trying to find another screen here. Yeah, hopefully they will figure it out, and and that doesn't happen again. Because that's kind of stuff is scary. Trying to find my screen here. Move that over here. Overnight, this market really not have a nice run to the upside. Now they're trying to go lower. 104 is the nice support area. So let's see what happened there. That could be support. Let's see what happened. The VWAP could be another interesting. I wanna find. Okay, this is the screen I was looking for. There we go, right here. Okay. Blown through that big candle on the 10 minutes forming here. I don't think they'll fill that overnight gap. It was a big overnight gap. They're about to be halfway there. Like if we get a positive bar here, probably a couple positive bar, and a pullback that fails to make a new low, I might go when I'll try that next time, Jimmy. Thank you. Yeah, I'm doing the stream just me. I invited you, I invited Scott, so I can just test it out for the first time and see how I sound and how things are going. So yeah, we'll see what happens here. It looks like they still want to sell it. About to approach a round number. Round number is a number that we may see a bounce right here. Someone was short at the open here. You definitely need a nice little profit. Could this be the bounce? Let's see if it's gonna bounce here. Yeah, round numbers, they usually use them as a bounce point, or some kind of manipulation happens around those numbers. What I'd like to see here, it's a fail to make a new low. If we fail to make a new low, if we get a couple of negative bars and we fail to make a new low, we might be going higher. All this was, I believe, it's probably trying to take some profit of the open. No, I'm not. I think I have the wrong account selected here. All right, where are we? Oh, we're way low. You know what? I have a lag here. I have a lag on this one. I'm at 7 already. Okay, so the bounce did happen. Yeah, this particular. Let me look at my. Oh my goodness! Good thing I didn't. So we had a lag. We do have another. So market analyzer. Oh yeah. What? I got a 10-minute lag on the ES. Everything else is working except the ES. Okay. Good thing I have this. I'm like, yeah, this definitely was a nice little bounce point here. I missed it because nothing is lacking, and I was looking at my at the price here. 59.13 could be a nice little resistance area, so I'd watch out for that. I stood it off and came back into NT. Shut it off. All right, let's see what's going on with this lag in the ES. I think I had too many ES chart open. That's probably what it is. I need to close some of them. Too many charts altogether. Well, I missed my bounce here. I wasn't looking at my VPS screen. Otherwise, I would have been in this long trade. My entry would have been around about 5,900. That's where my entry would have been around. But again, now it's pushing down a little bit. This is not. I might have to display a different chart. Yeah. Because I think this thing takes a lot of. Let me see if I can reload the data on here. See if I can catch up with the live market. More than 20-point drop in the first 10 minutes. I'm trying to push higher. Okay. Yeah, I'm just reloading the data now and see what happens. 951. This baby has two. It's weird. All my charts saying, I think the ES, the NQ are lagging. Everything else is working fine. This is very weird. So what I may do because it's doing that. Yeah, it is about 950, 975. Gonna go into 10 now. Yeah, now 910. Yep. Yeah. Basically, I have I know what the wheel price is because I have my VPS window open as well. So what I may do, I'm gonna have to do is displaying the VPS window for now and go from there. Remember I mentioned 913 could have been resistance. Looks like they get to 12 and a half and they start to sell it. So they didn't make it to 13. So let's see if they're gonna retest that. That would be an interesting thing to look at here. Now you should be able to see my screen. I just got last night I did try to trade the NQ, which I was very frustrated to wake up this morning to realize that I went long, came back and tagged me out. I don't want to say as always, but a lot of times that happen where it's Q. I don't think I want to mess with the NQ this morning. Stick to ES today. It's a nice value gap here. Well, this could be the turnaround to the downside again here. Gonna rearrange my screen on the fly here. That's soybeans. Sometimes when the market is crazy, I trade soybeans. Yes, it's okay. Yeah. I think we'll get a retest into the value gap, into that big red box here. So if we get a retest there and go down again, we'll act accordingly. Well, I have to rearrange my screen on the fly here. Yeah, pushing more down. Well, that is what it is. I need a little pullback here to get short. If you want to get short here. Yeah, let me just close. Yeah, this was support. So should we try a long over here? Let's see. Maybe not yet. Trying to really fit everything in one screen here. Do this right on the VWAP. I'll put this on the ES instead of the MES. I'll trip the ES. Yeah. Now, I got everything. The buyers are stepping back in here, but is it time yet? Let me see. If I enter here, I'm looking at about 5 points. I think we're gonna try a long right here. Maybe not yet. Let's try a long with a maybe 5 point stop. Maybe not. Okay. That didn't work. That was a risky long. Okay, all right. Definitely this market on the good. Lower. Is that you right now? Is that you trying to go long again or just this level again? Level resulted in a 4 point move to the upside. Yeah, that's the liquidity area. So I'm just gonna go long. Yeah, definitely a huge range this morning and overnight was crazy. So they had a big. So right now we're trying to spot that support. Let's see if it's gonna bounce here. So I'll definitely do like a tight 1 bar stop. Yeah, this market keeps selling off here. Cancel this order. Cannot fight them. You cannot fight if you cannot defeat them. I guess you gotta join them. The seller's on a tear right now, but it's a dangerous place to sell too because it's a support level. But when they're selling, they're selling. Nothing really matters. Oh, we got a low tick right here. Okay, we have a low tick, so meaning that could be a place to buy. If this doesn't work, we're gonna take a break. Well, I'm trying to buying along here. So I'm long from 94.5. So where can we go? Where can we go? I think we can go all the way up to the high of the day. Because this was a nice support. There's a low tick. See what happened here. Not time to move the stop yet. What's going on with my carp here? You know what it is? I'm trading the wrong account. I'm trading the 15. I've been trading the 16. The 14. Okay. That's why it's like I gotta go in here and just change that then. I'm just gonna have to trade them separately here. So that's why it wasn't copied. Not time to move the stop yet. I need to see a good move. Maybe a 3 point move before I can consider doing that. No, there'll be a big fight right here. 4 more points here. 1 or 2 more points. Move to break even. At least reduce my risk. Yeah, there you go. We're not break even yet, but we're definitely gonna reduce my risk by this risk of just 2 points here on the ES. Or, you know what? I'll do one of each. Yeah. That's the 15. We'll do the 14 down here then. 14, we'll move it to 92 as well. 92, and then see what happened. 90 and 93. Yeah, that was a nice range to go long. I'm long already. I'm long at 94 and a quarter. It wasn't nice. And get some water. Sorry. It's a nice support area. And also we had a low tick. So, some buying was probably going to happen here, but will it hold? I think that might be it. And it's 10 o'clock. The first 30 minutes happen. People already unwind their long positions from overnight. So they might be loading up here again. If they do, they're doing that. Now, definitely we're in a position now to move us up to break even. I'm going to make it at 94. I'm going to give it a one tick. Boom. So many times I've moved to break even exactly, and then things just... So right now we're in a free trade. Let's see what happened. Just one tick. Looks like it wants to go higher. And if it does, I'm here for it. Yeah, we definitely are in a position here. We're gonna run higher here. We'll run higher. Still not out of the woodworks. Yeah, 94 and a quarter. Okay. If you're beating 94 and a quarter, hopefully you get fill, and they may come back and do that, because that's what they do sometimes. So I mean, if you get fill, they would take me out because my stop is at 94, which is fine. You get your chart window open. My chart window? Oh, my chat window. Yeah, it's open. I can see you. My chat window. Okay. Yeah. Okay, you're doing one micro. Yeah, I'm doing one mini. They're approaching that round number. So let's see if we go over it. So the high on this was... So what was the high on this candle? The high was exactly the round number. It hit it and came back. So let's see if we're going to go over it now. Must be a lot of orders up there. Yeah, there you go. Now it's approaching a resistance level at 59.02 and a quarter. If we were to break above 04, then I'd probably capture a little bit of the selling again. Okay. If we were to go above 04, 05, probably capture half of basically move my stop to about 99, right below the round number, which may serve as support, because it was resistance. Yeah, canceling. Yeah, because if they were to come back down to that level, that means they're going to go lower at this point, because, like an 8-point move from it. Just leave my stop here for now. Just click on the button by accident. Really, above 06 is definitely going to be a place where I'm probably going to capture 7 points on this. If we were to get above 06 and a quarter to be exact. Okay, we got the 04, like 99 here. There you go, pushing higher. Gonna move to 99, capture something, especially one of the... Just happened that only one the account was traded. The first trade I took, the first loss. So we're gonna put at 98 and a quarter to be exact here. It should come back 6 points. Bad. Hopefully this market keeps going higher here. Let's see what happened. Market, the institutions are still kind of bearish, but they have to find a way to put this market higher. Above 12 and a quarter, definitely move my stop higher. Got close to the 6 and a quarter I was talking about, but it didn't go. If it does, I'll capture another 3 points. 1024 above 6 and a quarter. Yeah, we're capturing another 3 points here, maybe 2. I'd like to clear 12, but right now we capture another point. So I would like it to be below that round number. I need a new high here above 8 to move a couple more points. Yeah. Got a low tick forming here, meaning let's see this going on. Okay, we're pushing down here. We might not survive this one. We might not survive this. We got 5 points out of this move. If we get stopped out here, even though the buyers are stepping in again here, doesn't look like they're gonna be able to push it higher. Okay, got taken out. Can't complain. Follow plans. Sellers are really being aggressive right now. Now going short, we'll be chasing it. Okay, top that 94 again, that 94 and a quarter level, which was a nice little support. we get a positive bar here, we might. Yeah, could be another place to buy again here. So essentially, they came back to my entry and turned it around. Yeah, buyers are being aggressive here again. Go long here would need a little pullback. May not get it. It's 1029, so the initial balance will be formed. They went almost to the mid and turned it around. So it's 59.08 in the quarter. Well, buyers are in charge again here. It would be chasing it, so we won't be doing that. I think, honestly, what we're seeing here is probably set up to go short again because I think they want to take that the initial balance low. They may want to take that out. I think if we get a negative bar here, probably try a short instead of a long. But buyers are really trying here. Get this bit of short. And go back to my. Okay, I'm gonna step away for a minute, and I'll be right back. More and more looks like the short could be the play here. Just keep hitting that. It's not doing that. Let's go to my replicon over here. There's another value gap up here. If it gets up here, we may have to wait to short it in this box. Order up there. Okay. That's a high tick in the resistance area. Yeah, I think we might be going lower here. Yeah, we should have my order already at 01. Don't want to be chasing it though here. Let's see. 01, my stop would be at 04. 04 and a quarter probably. If I can get 01 again, I'll probably go short. Let's see. See what happens. It's not coming back, or at least it doesn't look like it will. Yeah, we need to pull back to get involved here. We cannot chase this water. Hey, man. Jimmy calling me. I'm gonna mute. Decisions. Yeah, definitely missed that one entry I wanted to get in at one, but not actually. I probably set my target. Now we're bouncing over support, so the fight here. We're not gonna put this down a little bit. So they failed to make that to go after 91 and a half. So they're saying we may be going higher now. Make up your mind, market. Make up your mind. Yeah. I can see this being going higher. We need a little pullback, a couple bars pullback, and then the back and the bar up. So then we may be wanting to go. Yeah, that was a low tick too. I missed it. 98, 97, 98 was a nice little long entry here. Let's see what's happening on wheat. Wheat is what? Short, going lower. I wanted a short entry at 01. See if we can set a limit at 99 here. The same. But yeah, I don't know what happened with my order. I tried to place an order at 99 and it wouldn't fail. What happened? Let's see. Yeah, it's not coming back to get me. Let's see. If it doesn't come back to get me, it doesn't. But I'm gonna chase this. That's unreal, man. Unreal. Yeah, I'm not sure. When I first tried to place the order, it wouldn't fail. There was an error message, some kind of error message. Now it's tanking. So I just may still come back too. Yeah, I may still have a chance, I think, with my working orders. Yeah, may come back and fail me at 99. Yeah, maybe not. Teasing me. Yeah, definitely this. Yeah, but I'm gonna have to cancel this order here because timing is everything. Because right now, if he fails to make it no low, that means we're making it going higher. So not sure what happened here. If he makes a high here, especially you see the buyers are getting aggressive in this area, so 99 may not be. It's ranging now. Above 98 and a quarter might be a long. Yeah, 3. Okay, we'll do it for a long here, but it's really tight area. See if we can go long at 98 here. A 99 short would have definitely be profitable trade, but fighting in this area here, got some. We bid 93. You must have gotten filled then. I don't know how long ago, Jimmy, you bid 93, but must have gotten filled. Okay, that means we're going to cancel this order. Wants to go lower. Oh, no, still. Okay. Also, you bid it maybe after you got there. Yeah, like right now, it's a tight area. I think we maybe when we go either way. But even though the sellers looks like they they have the upper hand here, but I wouldn't be surprised if I see things go one way or the other. As far as value, we're still like in a very cheap value here. I may try to go long on the new bar here at 96. No, I still want to go lower. Yeah, that could be a good short now. So you must have gotten failed, Jimmy. Yeah, you got failed at 93. Yeah, even though right now sellers are getting more aggressive. So where's your stop? Yeah, we would have to make a new low. It's not a bad place to put your stop, but if they're gonna run it, they'll definitely do. Personally, this market looks a lot very bearish to me at this point. But we're at a support level, so let's start going short here. It can be tap this support area 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 95.5. I think I might go short here. Let's see. It's gonna be a tight stop here. I'm gonna probably gonna 3-point stop. Emergency stop at 98.25, 3/4. I got at 97. Nice. Yeah, it looks like sellers are taking back over here. So I wouldn't be surprised they try to go for the overnight low at 71, but this is a long way. But we know this market can fly down fairly quickly, especially on the way down. The market move much faster than going higher. So I'm gonna put my ultimate 72. 2 bricks 91. Obviously, I'm gonna be moving to break even. Just give it one tick. I'll see right now. I could definitely start. I'm gonna start London close soon. Yes, indeed. Half an hour from now? I think we're gonna give this thing 1 point. It's either it's gonna go or it's not. Or maybe 2 points. I know it's a tight stop, but it's either it's gonna go or it's not. Because right now I have it at 3 points, which is the safer stop, but virtually I'm ready to move my stop to. Yeah. Okay. Looks like we're going lower here. Yeah. So reduce my my risk by 5 ticks, approaching that low, which is it'll be probably defended. But let's see if the sellers can push it down here. Tap it, 91.50, and this one was 91.25. There you go. Took the bottom out. We should expect a reaction here to the upside. All right, let's make this trade a break-even trade. Give it 1 tick. Maybe it's going lower here. When did it close? 7 more minutes. Decide to either it's 11:03, so I'd like that 10-minute candle to close way down so I can find a place to start trailing my stop. We'll see. I'm looking at my range chart too on my other screen, so that could be. I think I clicked something by mistake here. I still want to be on now. Looking at the ES. So now, Jimmy, you can see me moving. You can see me blinking and stuff. Yeah, sounds good. Or below 85, we may capture like 6 points. Yeah, if we get to 85, we'll capture half of the moves. So far, that would have been making us up about 10. But let's see what happens. Thing is, they may come back up here and tag you out and go lower. I don't want this to happen. And I need a new low to move to 85. Yeah. 91.50. They come back up there and tag me out of break even, which is fine because I'm following my rules, which is the most important thing in trading. Lot of resistance now. Anyway, we may see a push to the downside right now, but if it breaks that resistance, it's gonna tag me out, which is all good. I'm going to end the stream in less than 30 minutes. 11:30, I think I'm gonna get off here. Like a seven ticks to my stop. If the sellers will step back in here. Well, almost got me. Yeah, now it's about to get me. Came all the way back. Could have just been the big swipe to the downside to get people short and move it higher. Could be it. Or it could be 5 points. I was up about 9 points. Definitely could have managed this trade a little better. But I knew there was going to be a pullback, but I didn't survive the pullback. Now the question is this the move to go back up? For that to happen, I would definitely need to see it. I can't jump in here. We would need to pull back. This should probably be 91. Let's see. Yeah, me too. I thought there was going to be a nice little push down, continuous, but it looks like that could have been London, about to close, so they want to reverse the market to the upside now. But we'll have to wait to find out. I said right now, definitely the momentum is to the upside, but it's is it gonna be? Can't be chasing it up here. It would have to come back. It would have to come back to the IB low, which is about 91 and a half. If it comes back there and give me a U-turn, then I may think about going back along. But other than that, it's let's see. Just want to make sure my earlier target. That's a 15. Yeah, I got 4 points out of this move. Let's see. 5. Yeah, one of the deeper pullback here. Can't be chasing this long. I think they may go to the round number again and see what happened there. It's approaching a resistance area here. Also the VWAP. So could be a nice place to try to sell here, but I think it's turning green at the same time. So yeah, resistance area. Yeah. I think this could have been the flush. The flush everybody. Get some people short here, then turn it around. But let's see. It's a nice location to short here, but I'm not trusting the short. This is more like, for me, I would use this more like as a pullback to go higher. It can come back to about 94 and a half. I'd not be interested in a long. Not be interested in a long here. Yeah, about 90. Try to see if we can go long here. Concentrating right now. This little, yeah, that could be a short for real though. Let's see an attempt to go higher. That fails. If that fails, then I may open for a short. All right, Jimmy, thank you for being on the stream, my test stream, and probably gonna go live to the public maybe tomorrow. Depends. Yeah, I think I may, since it's a Friday, I don't, I may do a stream to the general public tomorrow. But thanks for being here. Thank you, Jimmy. Good. Trying to show that 96.50, and my stop would be at 99. Okay, doing that again. And 97.50. Oh, is it the VWAP? Looks like they're going high. I'm moving stop to 98.50 here. Got a high tick. Could do some selling coming in here. If I don't. This is what happens when you're switching from the regular computer to the 99.50. Definitely a resistance here. They push it down. Okay. So it looks like we're going higher here. This trend line got broken. I think we may still come back down to 94.50 to go higher. Maybe not. I'm sure he was. Yeah, right on. Here could have been a long entry, but this definitely, yeah. What a pullback though. I like to say pullback in that zone right here. You gotta pull back in that zone. That'd be interesting to go long here. Come back down here. This is too shallow a pullback for me to get involved here. Double pullback and we might be able to go long. Just ranging here. Not much to do. So it's gonna grind higher here. So I'm gonna try short here because it's not looking like momentum is going up high at all. Oops, oh my goodness, I missed it. Or maybe I need to have my NDT on here because my NDT, I would have missed that. Okay. I feel here, there's 650. 50 might be better place for my stop. Looking too good here. Yeah, definitely wanna text to my stop. Give another point here. That's the thing, because it's right on the resistance point, but I don't want it to tick me out like they sometimes do. Okay, where are we looking to put this is 14. Big fight over here. It's 11:45, so basically lunchtime. We have the POC. Let's see if we can push down here or gonna push higher. Either way, I think this could be my last trade for the day. Either it's gonna go way higher or it's gonna go way lower, yeah. It's right in the middle of that range too, almost. It's 11:48, so end the stream. Hopefully it will work out one or the other. Alright, gonna go off. I'll try to do one open to the public.